Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in the parish of Saint Elizabeth, one place them call name Lacovia. So I will give you a tour in our housing scheme with them call name Coby Ridge. So today we're gonna search today and see if we find any land for sale. We're gonna see what that area look like. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from here and abroad. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself anywhere I watch from. So this channel is all about touring Jamaica, different places in Jamaica, places you need to know, and also you will know how to get around this beautiful island. So keep on watching. I am about a minute away from the turnoff, which will take you all to Coby Ridge. Yeah man. So it's gonna be my first time around there. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about that area. So the scheme is right next to the Lacovia sports complex. So I'm gonna make the right turn, which will take us to the Coby Ridge. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. So welcome. Yeah man, we saw I go on to the place, how the place look. I know a lot of people overseas. Long time I get to come home to see them property, how the place set up, how the place look. So far I see where they have fire hydrant, so that means the water is supposed to be in the area. And also you have some nice houses in this area too. Where I'm at, you can see the Lacovia sports complex from this side. Yeah man, the place looks so green and pretty, like they're getting a lot of rain in this area. So I don't see where I see any lot for sale. I'm looking for the sign. Don't see any lot for sale as yet. Like most of the lot them sell out. Tell us the place nice. Jamaica is really beautiful, really beautiful. So if you know say you come from Jamaica, you know say place nice. Just leave in the comment section and say, yeah man, Jamaica nice. Also I wanna big up all of the fans that we watch today. Big up on yourself, anyone I watch from. Big up all of the Canadian, UK, USA. Big up Corinne. Big up Marcia. Big up Mr. Dave. Big up on yourself. Big up everyone. Because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I just want to thank you all. You know, I check around that area because I will say we are looking for see no sign. I will see no land for sale in this area. I don't see any sign. I was questioning someone about this area, but I think he said most of the lots sold out. But I'm just taking the time out to just give it a tour myself and see if I see any sign with any number. So I'd love to call somebody and ask them about it if I see any land for sale. So this looks like a dead end. Yeah. So if you like this channel, you can give it a big, give the like button a big boop. Yeah man, just like up the video man, free of cost. You know, say Jamaican tour guide, taken to many different places, make you see how Jamaica stay, different side of Jamaica, the countryside of Jamaica. Cause a lot of people forget the countryside, you know. And to me, countryside is the best. No place like country. When you're in the country, you can do everything. You get everything at the countryside. Different types of fruits, vegetable. You got your beach side, your river side. You know, most of the people in the countryside, you know, say we love the outside cooking too. You know, say outside cooking kind of taste different, way different. Yeah man, pan the wood fire. If you know Jamaica, you born and grow in Jamaica, you visit Jamaica, you know what Fire Reid I talk about, you know. Like most of the lot them sold out, don't see any sign. So I am at lot 52. So if you know your lot number, I'm very close to lot 52. So we're heading back to the exit. So we are now back on the main road, which is the Lacovia main road. If you make the left turn, we'll take you to Santa Cruz. If you make the right turn, we'll take you all to the Holland Bamboo area. So I made the right turn. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.